This is to record somewhat random thoughts I'm having about animals and food. And the first thing I'm thinking is about how we eat animals for food and we don't have any concern about doing so. So we imprison animals, cows and sheep and pigs. We imprison them for their whole lives and then kill them and eat them. We don't have any problem in doing this. So I'm thinking about life in this way. I'm thinking, when does life become valuable? When is it wrong to take life? And we don't think it's wrong to take a cow's life, for example. But I'm thinking we don't kill cats and dogs. I think we regard cats and dogs as being quite valuable. For some reason, I don't know why this is. So I'm wondering, when does life become important and valuable and not okay to take and eat? When is life important, in other words? So we don't regard insect life as important, so we kill them without concern. And I think I said, we imprison cows for their whole lives and pigs, and then kill them and eat them. We don't have any problem in doing this. So when does life become important? When is it wrong to take life? And what is the basis for making this decision? So it is interesting to wonder what makes life important. When does it become important and not okay to take? So this is, as I said, random thinking, and I don't know where I will go with this yet. So I hope to do more films in time. So for now I'll stop, but I still will continue thinking about animals and food.